Hello, everyone. If you're seeing parts of my 101 series on options and you're wondering more about what's this all about, how does this all work, I would strongly suggest you consider my Options Trading for Beginners course. This is a roughly 10-hour course that goes deep into all the potential uses of options. It starts at a very basic level of what is a call, what is a put, how can you buy a call, sell a call? What happens? What obligations do you have on either side of that? So again, it gets into a very much a deep dive on all of the different aspects of calls, puts, etc. There's a whole section on just the jargon. What do all these terms mean? Theta decay, what is that? How does that work? Volatility, how does that work? All of those different aspects and terms that impact the pricing of options. We're going to understand the basics of some key strategies. What is a vertical? What is a condor? A butterfly? Covered calls, cash secured puts, ways that I often use options as a less expensive way that gives me higher returns than owning stock. How can I control 100 shares of maybe a higher price stock, maybe a Tesla or something along those lines, without spending the money for 100 shares of Tesla stock? I can control the same amount of Tesla stock for a fraction of the cost using options. I can also hedge a long-term investment account. If I'm concerned about a pullback in the market, I get into the basics here of how might I buy insurance on my account. How would I do a hedge? Here are some of the various comments that people have had as well regarding the class. And I try to keep all of these classes as affordable as possible. I want people to be able to get in and understand the content. You also have a direct line of communication to me while you're going through the course. This is a self-paced course. And then if you do a section, you have a question there, you can put it right there in the comments. Within 24 hours, I will see that question and respond back to you, providing any answers. This also helps me learn what things I need to include in future courses. That's actually how I got this course to where it is right now. Pretty fine-tuned because I took feedback and questions people were asking all along the way when I redid this here literally just a couple months ago. So take a look at the course, check it out. In addition to this Options Trading for Beginners course, I also have courses for more advanced opportunities. These are a deep dive butterfly course, which is my favorite strategy, a deep dive calendars and diagonals, which was one of my favorite strategies around earnings and volatility events. And then I also have a subscription service where I send out videos on the trades that I am entering. I explain why I'm entering, how I'm entering them, and when I go to adjust them or close them, I also do a subsequent video showing the process there as well. I do individual 1-hour coaching sessions, and then I have a couple sampler courses. Like if you just want to see 5 butterflies and how they were traded from start to finish, to just have an idea of whether or not that's the type of thing that's of interest to you. These are what I call little taster or sampler courses, appetizers, if you will. So thanks so much, everyone, for checking out my courses. Take care.